Update on the potato plant in the window. This is the potato plant I showed just a few days back. Look how much it's grown. This thing's loving the sunshine. Can you see that? Oh, well. Oop, showing you my dirty dishes. Ain't that something? Get it in the sunshine. Get it in the sunshine. Snoopy says, yeah. Rubber Ducky does too. Okay. Anyway, this potato's doing some growing. And I am so glad. I'm going to be putting this into a planter before long. I wonder how tall these things are going to get. I bet they get real tall. I'm going to turn it around so it'll grow back the other way. Because you can see how it's leaning. You know, plants always lean towards the sunshine. And that one was leaning out. So I turned it around so it'd lean the other way. It's kind of cool, huh? Yeah. I like plants. This one's kind of growing too. And we do have a few other ones in the window here. I forget what that one's called. It's the same kind of plant. I forget what that one's called as well. It's some kind of succulent. But if anybody knows, you know, put it in the comments. Let me know what plant you think that is. I know it's a succulent. I just can't recall exactly which kind of succulent it is. This is my potato. It was a big white potato. And this thing, I'm not really sure what that is. Oh well. That's a spider plant right there. So, talk to you later.